Menteri rangba kajala Conrad ke sangma mentaka khat tarik leber araja pausau ulaong baka Citizen Amendment Act kanom trekam satya hapo kajala Meghalaya namar ka hap hapo ka 6 schedule like no tang khandiat bahap ka European Ward ulaong bakat kum ketikaan bai kijaka badan hapo ka 6 schedule lapelat ban pentrikam ya ka CAA bat ka Meghalaya hadu khandai point khandai person kabade ka bahap hapo ka 6 schedule katanat kampo ing ka sarkar India kalapan mi yaki gandon ka Citizen Amendment Rules kabatrikam haboro kawai kari India kanikaan kan ailat yaki jat benrio bomdai ki Muslim ki ba poiwir na Bangladesh Pakistan bat Afghanistan bakan thup yaki Hindu Sikh Jain Buddhist Parsi bat Kristan ki bawan rong sha India haswa ka lai phawai tarik no pra araja khatsau banlong kinong shong bapura hakari India.
No, I don't have any comments on why the timing. The government of India is doing its part from terms of the bill that was passed 4 years back. It's the rules. But from Meghalaya's point of view, it doesn't really impact us much because the six scheduled areas, are completely exempted from the CAA. And hardly, as I said, we used to say 99%, but it's actually 99.9999%. There's a small section which is non-scheduled area. But apart from that, the entire scheduled area has been exempted, so it will not have any impact on the state of Meghalaya. But as I said, the question of government of India coming up with rules, those are procedures that are followed by government of India. So I don't want to comment on that. See, we're not understanding what this whole thing is. There is hardly municipal area of 2 to 3 or this entire European ward of 2 square kilometers or 1 square kilometer, whatever it is. It's really not a big impact. The entire rest of the state is exempted from it. So I think we are looking at that one dot which is there and not realizing that the rest of the 99.999% is not included. That's what is important to note. So this one dot is there because of a technical issue. Otherwise, the entire six scheduled area is exempted from the CAA.